Good day, ma'am. This is my final project for Java code implement. This code is simple restaurant ordering system with breakdown and how it works. So first, menu and price. The menu is humba with rice, balbacoa with rice, manok sabaw with rice, and soft drinks. And the prices is 250.50, 235.25, 350.85, and 25.60. The program display a menu with option to order food, view total cost and play bell or exit. The order food method allows user that select a menu. So the order food method allows user to select items from the menu and add them to their order. So the view total is the view total method display the current total cost of order, and the pay bill, it is method calculate the change and display a message base and the payment. So let's go to run it. Shit. I'm so sorry. It's okay. So if you can order food, you can select number 1 and you can kahuman mo pop up ang foods kung unsay ganahan mo i-order. And if you can select barbacoa with rice, can select item number 2, then so the program runs